Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp volatility 75 index on the lower time frames, not just volatility 75 index. We'll also be looking at how we can scalp step index on the lower time frames. All right, I will be starting with volatility 75 index on the daily time frame. I have V75 on the chart, and as we can see on the daily time frame, V75 is going down. If you want to trade V75 for now, look for selling opportunities. Where do I think it might go? Let me see. V75 could go down as much as let's see. It could go down as much as 2950 area. Okay, but it's definitely gonna get to this particular structure first. Going to get to this structure first before it it goes down some more. Okay, so that is bearish on the daily time frame. Look for selling opportunities. This 21 EMA is 21 EMA. Look for selling opportunities. Now on the 4-hour time frame, still selling. V75 still selling on the 4-hour time frame. And what do we have? Let me remove this. What do we have on the 4-hour time frame? Can see a bearish structure. V75 is currently establishing lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so if you can hold on to your short trade for a long time, it's gonna sell some more. Look for selling opportunities. Sell every rise of V75 for now. Okay, V75. Looking at V75 on the 1-hour time frame. Look at what we have here. This descending trend line is dropping. It's dropping. You can see V75 breaking structures to the downside. So just be cautious of the retracement. It's going to retrace. It might retrace up to this point where we have the 332168, but every retracement is an opportunity for you to enter a sell trade. Okay, so look for short opportunities. Look to sell V75 for now. Okay, that's that on the 1-hour time frame. Let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. What do we have on the 30 minutes time frame? It's selling. So if the buyers should step into retrace price, we might see retracement up to this point. I'm talking about the 328509 point. So thereafter, I expect price to continue its downward movement. Okay, that is bearish. Look for selling opportunities on volatility 75 index for now. On the 15 minutes time frame, price continues to establish low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's a bearish structure on the 15 minutes time frame. We might see a retracement up to this point. Retracement, buyers might push price up to the let's see 327268 level before price starts to go down some more. Okay, I expect price to start to go down some more, but at the most price could get up to this point. It will retrace up to that point. Let's see, that point is let's see what's that level. We have 329381 before price starts to drop some more. The overall trend is bearish. Look for selling opportunities. Still on V75, still selling. You might want to wait for price to get to this trend line. before you jump in on your sell on the sell trade. Okay, that's that for V75. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see a double bottom. Okay, but the overall trend is this bottom here and another bottom here. Okay, more like a triple bottom. Okay, another bottom here. Okay, but the overall trend on the higher time frames is bearish. Okay, so you might want to wait for the buyers to finish whatever they are doing before you jump in on the sell. Okay, that's that for V75. Let's look at step index. Step index on the daily time frame is also bearish. V75 is bearish, step index is bearish. So you might look for selling opportunities. Look to go short on step index. Look at the bulls were able to push price. Okay, push price up to this point, but since the start of today, price has been going down, and price is going to target yesterday's low. Yesterday's low is 8657 area, so you might look to sell up to, down to that level. That's steps index on the daily time frame. Let's look at step index on the 4-hour time frame. What do we have? We can still see that the trend is bearish in the sense that price continues to establish lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a high. It's a lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a high, lower low. Okay, so price is establishing a lower high and lower lows. That's typical of a bearish structure. So look at what's currently happening on the 4-hour time frame. Price just established a lower high. Okay, this high is lower than this high, so you might jump in on the sell and sell up to this point before it breaks structure further to the downside. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. What do we have on the 1-hour time frame? On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that price recovered up to this particular order block, and price is selling. A recovery to this order block, and price is currently selling. Okay, it's dropping to this order block that we have here, this wide order block that we have here. Okay, a break below that order block will send price further down, but a rise from that other block will give us a double bottom. Okay, but that will unfold as time goes on. All right, so on the 30 minutes time frame, we can see the bulls stepped in and push price, step index price up to an extent, but now the bears have already entered the markets, and the bears have broken this ascending trend line for us to establish a descending trend line. Okay, a descending trend line, a break above this descending trend line will give the bears some impetus. Okay, break above this will give the bears some impetus for us to have a higher low. Okay, as price might go up to test this other block. This other block will serve as resistance as price tries to go up, but the overall trend on the higher time frame is bearish, so you need to put that into consideration. On the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? We can see something like a double bottom. Step index is trying to form a double bottom on the 15 minutes time frame, but the current candle is still on. It's not concluded yet. We might want to wait for a break of this neckline. Okay, a break of this neckline can confirm that it's okay for us to buy a little, but in as much as you attempt to buy step index on the 15 minutes time frame, you have to put this other block into consideration. I'm talking about the resistance at the 8682 area. That might serve as resistance to price. If that resistance is broken, another resistance is at this area where we have this other block, 8695 area. That particular point, price might meet with resistance. But don't forget, the overall trend is bearish. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can see price giving us a triple bottom on the 5 minutes time frame for step index. This is the first bottom, this is the second bottom, okay, and this is the third bottom. All right, so price gives us something like a triple bottom, a break of this neckline, a break of this particular neckline to the top side. We might see a retest. We might see a retest of that break, and then price might start to go up. If price is gonna go up from there, we'll be having the buyers might be contending with this order block here at the 8, 6, 7, 8 area before a further rise could meet with another order block around here, 8, 6, 8, 2 area. But for now, the overall trend is bearish. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, we can see some level of recovery, but it's a very small time frame, and it can be categorized as a noisy time frame. So you can use this to really base your trading signal, but you can use this to scalp some few points. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, you can see some level of recovery where the buyers are pushing price a bit up, and we can see something like a higher low. But currently we are looking at a range where price is ranging between this range top and this range bottom. So you might want to wait for price to break out of the range before you make your trading decision. So that's that for today's video on how to scalp volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Smash the like button if you like the video you just saw. Also drop comments, ask questions below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can share the video to your friends and loved one. You can also click the bell button icon below the video for notification. You can visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade VIX volatility index. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade volatility index. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.